What's up guys, it's your boy Arthur Kama on the vlog, yo. So anyways, how's you guys night? Happy Friday, happy Friday. So we're gonna do all this homework time stuff right now. We're gonna do all this stuff with my baby, with my girl, with my princess, with my cutie patootie. I'm just kidding guys, I'm still single, so single life muna tayo. Focus na muna sa sarili and date muna tayo sa sarili natin. Huwag na natin muna isipan si ano, ganyan-ganyan, you know. So, aray ko. But Beta Pass is pretty good guys. Support me in the TikTok, follow me in TikTok, follow me and subscribe me in the YouTube guys. Okay? Subscribe. Tara.
Sayang yung tayo, nag-aantay.
Aray ko. Tay.
Patay tayo dyan.
So anyways, hope you guys have a nice day. And yeah. What is ComSci? ComSci is all about computer science, education, about computers, parts of computers, like that. Shout out to Sir Yat, Sir Orly, Mom Marilyn, Mom Anna, Mom Ann, Sir Calvin, Sir Erwin, everybody from St. Nicholas College, everybody right there. Thank you for the support for me. I promise I'll be mabait na tao para sa inyo. And plus, I'm not gonna do anything stupid. So, chillax because mabait ako. Ano, niloloko niyo ako. Alam ko yun, pero be friends naman tayo. Please don't be ignoring me or anything. Just say hi, what's up, like that. Kinakain na ba kayo? Kumain ka na, ganyan. Because I'm making new friends, I don't want to date anymore. So,
Ano ba, Jo?
let's go.
Pagod ka na ba, Jo? Ano ba kailangan ko, Jo? Para ako'y patawarin mo, Jo.
But anyways, I'll see you guys in live.
Kilala, Jo.
So I'm gonna do a live again and do a vlog again next week, Mondays to Fridays only. I'm not gonna do the same thing as before. Because I was broken that time 3 times already.
Imbis na
And 3 days.
pure Filipino, naging made in China ka pa ngayon, ha? Okay, Jo, sa ating pitong
this is Arthur
nagkakatuloy ang
on the
boys
vlog.
ngayong gabi, sino po ang iyong
See you guys
natitipuhan,
later.
Jo, at gustong makilala?